What's going on, guys? I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with my Infiniti G35 Coupe that I know a lot of you guys have been following for quite some time, and of course it's in a bunch of pieces right now, but we got a really big build on the way, and so here's what's going on. So let's start off with the motor. This motor was built by Gord Bush Performance. I had ordered pretty much all the forged internals and everything off of Z1 Motorsports. So we went with like Weisco Pistons, Eagle rods, Tomake, and actually no, what did I do? I did JWT C8 272 duration cams. We have a fluid damper crank pulley on the front. What else we got? OEM crank. I did not sleeve the block or bore it out, so it's pretty much stock setup for that. In the valve train, other than the cams, we just did BC springs and retainers, and otherwise it's pretty much stock head, stock valves and everything. We did the Pathfinder cooling mod right over here at the back, and then I have a Cd009 tranny that I had from before that's just going on again. I still have to put together like my catch can system. As far as the actual fuel system, I picked up a Radium twin 450s in it assembly, and I just have to get the lines and fittings made for that. As you can see, the engine is like the whole bay is pretty much ripped out, and this is almost ready to go in. We have these Z1 polyurethane mounts that are gonna go in for that. I am just going with a stock drive shaft, so nothing crazy there. And then it's a little bit of a mess here, but I have a boosted performance single turbo kit that we're gonna be putting on it as well. And the big boy, we got it's a bit of a mess right now for you guys in another video most likely. Son of a bitch. I hope I didn't mess up my I feel like I hit the door on that one. Yeah, I did. I fucked my shit up. Fuck. Oh well, what can you do, right? Shit happens. But yeah, so with the boosted performance kit, I'm going to be putting on a Precision Gen 2 6870 single turbo on it. So I'm hoping to hit as around 700 wheel horsepower. That's the main power goal for this setup, and I should be able to achieve that with the turbo and the fuel system that I got going. We have an APS manifold there, and then other than that, that's kind of like the main core components for this build. And of course, I did have like a whole new timing setup put in, new gallery gaskets, like all new chains, everything. And we did paint the timing cover black just to make it look a little more clean, right? Because after the timing cover gets hot tanked, it looks really weird, like this really weird gray color. So just to clean it up, we painted it black. The next thing on my list to kind of figure out is going to be the actual PCV catch can setup, because I heard a lot of guys are running into some big issues with like high horsepower cars where their PCV starts pissing out oil into their catch can, and their catch cans can't take it, and they're literally like oil's just coming out of the vent in the catch can. So I'm going to figure out something a little bit more elaborate. And I have here's a really weird thing about my boosted performance kit. So although this is a DE engine, stock DE non-rev up, not stock built, I should say, but although it is a DE, we're actually going to be running HR headers, and that's the different thing here, because the HR headers have like more of a tubular design, which makes for a much better flow for the turbo, and I'm hoping to spool the turbo up quicker with that. Now, of course, the DE headers and the HR headers have different flanges at the back, so what we're doing is I actually have the HR headers going along with a HR Hotside piping, which if I can get out of here with one hand, you'll be able to see. But yeah, that's the turbo piping there, and so that's the HR Hotside piping. And then after the turbo, it's all DE piping going towards the intercooler and up into the throttle body. So I'll be providing you guys a little bit more update as we go along, but here's where we're at for now. So thank you guys for watching.